Product of array except self. Want to stand out in any technical interview? Product of array except self is a must-know pattern mastery 100 problem that appears again and again in Phong interviews. Many candidates get tripped up by constraints, like not using division and achieving ON time. If you can solve this one efficiently, you're proving you can handle real-world algorithmic challenges under pressure. Ready to see the trick that interviewers love? Let's go. Let's break down the challenge. You're given an array of numbers. For each position, return the product of all other numbers, except the one at that position. The twist: you can't use division, and you need to do it in ON time. The output is a new array where each index holds this special product. Let's assess our options. A brute force approach would calculate the product for each index separately, ON squared time. Not efficient. Using division would make it ON, but the problem says no division. So how do we do it? The trick is to use prefix products and suffix products. Prefix: product of all numbers to the left of each index. Suffix: product of all numbers to the right of each index. By multiplying the prefix and suffix at each index, we get our answer without ever dividing or missing a value. Here's our structure. Create an output array, initialize to ones. Pass left to right. For each index, multiply the product of all numbers to the left. Prefix: updating the output. Pass right to left. For each index, multiply the product of all numbers to the right. Suffix: updating the output again. The result is the product of everything except self at every index. Now let's try to implement it using solution 1. We're defining a function called product except self that takes an array nums. We store the length of the array in n. We create an array called prefix of size n, filled with ones. Each prefix I will represent the product of everything to the left of index I. We also create an array called suffix of size n, filled with ones. Each suffix I will represent the product of everything to the right of index I. Now we build the prefix products. We loop from I equals 1 to the end of the array. At each index I, we set prefix I to prefix I minus 1 times nums I minus 1. That means prefix keeps multiplying everything to the left as we move forward. Next, we build the suffix products. We loop from I equals n minus 2 down to 0. At each index I, we set suffix I to suffix I plus 1 times nums I plus 1. That means suffix keeps multiplying everything to the right as we move backward. Now we create a result array of size n, filled with ones. We loop through every index again. At each index I, the answer is prefix I times suffix I, because that combines the product of everything left of I and everything right of I, excluding nums I itself. Finally, we return result. Time complexity is O of n because we do a few linear passes through the array. Space complexity is O of n because we use prefix, suffix, and result arrays. Let's verify solution 1 for product of array except self. Input is nums equals 1, 2, 3, 4. We build the prefix array. Prefix 0 is 1. Prefix 1 becomes 1 times 1, which is 1. Prefix 2 becomes 1 times 2, which is 2. Prefix 3 becomes 2 times 3, which is 6. So prefix is 1, 1, 2, 6. We build the suffix array. Suffix 3 is 1. Suffix 2 becomes 1 times 4, which is 4. Suffix 1 becomes 4 times 3, which is 12. Suffix 0 becomes 12 times 2, which is 24. So suffix is 24, 12, 4, 1. Now we multiply prefix and suffix index by index. Result 0 is 1 times 24, which is 24. Result 1 is 1 times 12, which is 12. Result 2 is 2 times 4, which is 8. Result 3 is 6 times 1, which is 6. So the result is 24, 12, 8, 6. The output is 24, 12, 8, 6, and the expected is 24, 12, 8, 6. They match, so solution 1 is correct for this test case. Now let's try to implement it using solution 2. We're defining a function called product except self that takes an array nums. We store the length of the array in n. We create an array res of size n, and fill it with ones. This array will eventually hold our final answers. Now we do a forward pass to build prefix products directly into res. We loop from I equals 1 up to n minus 1. At each index I, we set res I to res I minus 1 times nums I minus 1. So res I becomes the product of everything to the left of I. Next, we create a variable called suffix and set it to 1. This will represent the product of everything to the right as we move from right to left. Now we do a backward pass from I equals n minus 1 down to 0. At each index I, we multiply res I by suffix. That combines the left product already stored in res I, with the right product stored in suffix. Then we update suffix by multiplying it with nums I, so the suffix product grows as we move left. After the loop ends, res contains the product of all numbers except self for each index, so we return res. Time complexity is O of n because we make 2 linear passes. Space complexity is O of 1 extra space, not counting the output array, because we only use res and 1 suffix variable. Let's verify solution 2 for product of array except self. Input is nums equals -1, 1, 0, -3, 3. First, we build prefix products into res. We start with res as 1, 1, 1, 1. At I equals 1, res 1 becomes res 0 times num 0, which is 1 times -1. So res becomes 1, -1, 1, 1. At I equals 2, res 2 becomes res 1 times nums 1, which is -1 times 1. So res becomes 1, -1, -1, 1, 1. At I equals 3, res 3 becomes res 2 times nums 2, which is -1 times 0. So res becomes 1, -1, -1, 0, 1. At I equals 4, res 4 becomes res 3 times nums 3, which is 0 times -3. So res becomes 1, -1, -1, 0, 0. Now we multiply in the suffix products. We set suffix to 1. At I equals 4, res 4 becomes 0 times 1, still 0. Then suffix becomes 1 times nums 4, so suffix becomes 3. At I equals 3, res 3 becomes 0 times 3, still 0. Then suffix becomes 3 times nums 3, so suffix becomes -9. At I equals 2, res 2 becomes -1 times -9, which is 9. Then suffix becomes -9 times nums 2, so suffix becomes 0. At I equals 1, res 1 becomes -1 times 0, which is 0. Then suffix stays 0 after multiplying by nums 1. At I equals 0, res 0 becomes 1 times 0, which is 0. So the final result is 0, 0, 9, 0, 0. The output is 0, 0, 9, 0, 0, and the expected is 0, 0, 9, 0, 0. They match, so solution 2 is correct for this test case. Let's finish with a quick recap of product of array except self. The goal here is to produce the right result for every position while staying efficient and following the no division rule. We needed to build a new array where each index contains the product of all values in the original array except the one at that same index. The key constraint is that division is not allowed, so the solution has to come from smart array reasoning rather than shortcuts. We compared options and ruled out brute force because it would take quadratic time. Division would make the math easy, but it's not permitted. The important insight was recognizing a prefix and suffix pattern. If you know the product of everything to the left and everything to the right, multiplying those gives the except self product in linear time. The plan was built around 2 clean sweeps. First, we accumulate products moving left to right to represent everything before each index. Then we sweep right to left to bring in the product of everything after each index. Once both passes are combined, each position naturally holds the product of all elements except itself. We implemented the approach successfully on LeetCode without errors, using 2 simple passes and avoiding nested loops or division, while keeping the process efficient and easy to follow. We confirmed correctness using LeetCode test cases. For 1, 2, 3, 4, the output matched 24, 12, 8, 6, and 4. -1, 1, 0, -3, 3. The output matched 0, 0, 9, 0, 0. These checks validated both the logic and the efficiency. The main takeaway is that you can get powerful results with simple patterns. Prefix and suffix thinking replaces division and brute force with a clean, scalable approach, and once you recognize that pattern, it becomes a tool you can reuse across many array problems.